Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, viewers, wherever you are. You know, when people they look for job or person they look for job. When you want take person as caregiver for your home, you get to know more about the person. You get to ask if take information anywhere, any place, just to know about the person before you employ the person as caregiver for your home. Especially you wey get you dey work, your husband dey work, none of una dey get time to stay house, and you get baby maybe months old or 1 year old, especially babies like Mary Jane, but her real name is Wendy, but they do call her Mary Jane. Okay, Mary Jane go this family house to look for job. She bring recommendation paper. When Mary Jane reach there, he presents this paper or this recommendation letter to this family. Say she fit as caregiver job. So this woman look am with the smiling face and everything for Mary Jane. He accept Mary Jane. But if you wan know, as she present that letter to you, wetin you go do? You go go on behalf of her? You go still go ask again who recommend am to you? You go wan know everything about her, not just say because she present a smiling face you go come employ am. But this time you don't know who she be. You don't know whether na your worst enemy or na psychopath you wan employ. You don't know. You just accept am with that letter. Okay, Mary Jane come pick up this job, come dey work follow this family. So every time, every day, when this woman, before this woman go come back, she go see say im daughter just babe 6 months old child. That one no go fit talk, that one no go fit explain wetin dey happen to her. So sometimes Mary Jane go just put the child outside. She go just sit, they do something else, take her phone, they play, they do. This time, when she dey do all these things, neighbor they watch am, they see how she dey treat that baby. Even when the baby go dey cry sef, Mary Jane no dey even dey care about the baby. Or wetin she dey after, just her phone. So when she see the time when when she see the time when the owner of the house go come, this time Mary Jane go start to dey do her house work, dey clean, just in hurry. So there was one day, this neighbor see the way this pikin dey cry, this baby dey cry, and Mary Jane sits down there, dey watch this baby dey cry. You can imagine, they watch this baby dey cry. Mary Jane no pick up this baby or try to stop her from crying or try to do something. Mary Jane refuse. All wetin Mary Jane dey do, just pick up her phone, take her phone, dey play. So this woman come see this thing for the first time. The second time, so now this lady come dey video the Mary Jane, come dey take her phone, dey video Mary Jane. So this last day, when this woman no fit bear this thing again, he bring up this baby dey cry. So Mary Jane take her hand, dey punch this baby, dey punch her, dey slap her, raise the baby up, dey shake her like, like cloth, or dey wave am. Which normal person, when you feel say e dey okay, go do that kind thing? Unless somebody will get problem with brain or get problem, let me put it this way, somebody will not dey okay, now go fit do this kind thing wey Mary Jane do. So this woman no fit enjoy this thing, so instead she just call police. So when police come, they come ask for the woman, they call the owner of the house. The owner say, yeah, he no fit imagine say Mary Jane go do this thing, because Mary Jane dey so nice, and the way she dey talk, the way she dey do, he say he no imagine say Mary Jane go treat im own child or im own baby this way. Okay, now the lady wey call show dem the phone, the all her recordings wey she don do for the past days. So dem come carry Mary Jane, they arrest Mary Jane. When they arrest Mary Jane, then they discover that name Mary Jane, that name Mary Jane na fake. Her real name na Wendy. How come e get that name? Na through her friends. Her two friends. One is Mary and the other one is Jane. So she just joined the two names together to call herself Mary Jane. Okay, wetin and this period, all this while, Mary Jane, her parents, she get this treatment, this heel-lock wey she get, sadist na Mary Jane be. She get am through her parents. You know, sometimes e no dey nice when parents go dey fight or they you know, dey misbehave while children go dey watch. That thing no dey nice. You see, Mary Jane pick up this thing, grow up with this thing, just wetin she dey see. Im own father every day dey beat up her own mother. Every day dey beat her own mother. So Mary Jane dey watch these things, and up from there, this thing come dey affect Mary Jane. So when the mother see say the father no come fit, she no come fit pick up this thing again. So the mother, she come separate from Mary Jane father. When she separate, this time Mary Jane come dey live with her mother. Her mother come enter drink and come dey smoke. So every day the mother dey drink, dey smoke, and from there the mother go dey beat Mary Jane too, go dey beat her. So Mary Jane, you see, Mary Jane grow up to see all these things from im parents. So all these things now come dey affect Mary Jane. So till one day, the mother come see say she no fit again with that drink and smoke which the mother dey take. The woman come lost her life. During that time, Mary Jane, nobody, they no fit keep Mary Jane, so they come carry Mary Jane now, go for homeless home, make Mary Jane go dey live there. So from there, na there Mary Jane dey grow up before Mary Jane come pick up this job. You see, Mary Jane grow up to see how her mother dey beat her, and before this time, na so im own dad, im own father dey beat am. So Mary Jane come get this thing na sickness now. So Mary Jane come dey, the thing no fit leave Mary Jane. So the trauma no too, the trauma wey Mary Jane get for all these things, all these years, wetin she don dey witness, wetin she don dey see, the experience she don get from im parents, so come dey affect her. So na im make her, when she pick up this job, she no get feelings of anything. So na im make her dey maltreat that pikin, that baby, just because the way im own parents treat her. So if you want take up, and if you want employ anybody as caregiver, the first thing you get to do, no accept, even a man, woman, boy, girl, no accept that person for the first time just because of the smiley face when the person presents to you. Wetin you go do? Ask, if you really want accept the person, ask for information about or who they direct the person to you, or the letter, recommendation letter, when they give that person to you. You go from that place, go ask, call for telephone to know. May they give you details, may they tell you who this person really be. If not because of this neighbor, do you not think say Mary Jane for kill this baby for all the beatings, punching, when she don dey give this little child, 6 months old child or 6 months old baby? So viewers, you have to be very careful before you employ anybody as caregiver to your own. Ask, seek for information about the person. So thanks for watching my video. If you love my video, just give me thumb and share my video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye for now.